Hey everyone, so who's next for Shiba Inu? Welcome back to another video. Today we do have more exciting updates. Binance US, Coinbase, everyone coming in, and you can see they're coming in massive levels so far. So definitely be sure to drop a like. Shiba Inu Art made this small video from what I can see, and it seems like Binance, Coinbase, Robinhood, all of them are sticking together and listing SHIB, listing more and more of SHIB. And I do think we're gonna be also getting a burn soon, so this might very well be the last dip we're ever gonna be seeing in this history. Who knows at this point? But one thing's for sure, Bitcoin is playing mind games at its price scrolls into a tighter range so far. So what this basically means is that SHIB is very likely to grow in the near future and is going to be seeing a very positive uptrend, and I'm really excited for that. But analysts highlight the formation of a bull flag on the Bitcoin chart, suggesting the price could consolidate until a major catalyst moves the market. So something big has to happen for the market right now to basically change a lot. But the general mood across the cryptocurrency market is one of the anticipation on September 17, as the price of Bitcoin has traded an increasingly tighter range over the past couple of days. With that being said, we don't have to look too much about Bitcoin's prices, but it does seem like major catalyst will be changing Bitcoin's prices very much soon, which means that the altcoin season is yet to happen. And when the altcoin season happens, we could be seeing a new at its highest for SHIB. Right now, we're still a far way, from where it was at the start. But in the future, if we get more influencers in, if more people start to talk about SHIB, we could be seeing massive updates. But bull flag forms on the 4th-hour chart. And with that being said, I do think SHIB and Bitcoin is going to be growing a lot more in Q4. So Q4 is October, November, December, even January. All of that is going to be a very positive indicator for Shiba Inu, which is something I'm super excited for. But Bitcoin is right now playing mind games. It's going up and down. A lot of people aren't happy with SHIB and its donations. But with the relief fund now being sold off, SHIB will not be having any dips anymore. This might be the last dip in the history. If you're not invested in cryptos today, you're behind the 8 ball. Lots of us are kicking ourselves for not investing in Bitcoin in 2012. Don't make the same mistake today. I'm looking at my crypto dashboard right now, and when you sit back and really look at some enormous returns of the cryptocurrencies have offered, steadfast investors is truly remarkable. I mean, we saw so many gains right now for all these cryptocurrencies. If you invested into the SHIB like $200 a year ago, you would have woken up with $7 million. All you had to do is put $100 to $200 in, and you would have had $7 million in SHIB. $7 million. I'm not talking about billions. I'm not talking about millions. I'm talking about 7 million juicy dollars that you can, with $7 million, you can basically move anywhere you want in the world. With that being said, we do have a lot more updates this week. Cardano launches smart chain contracts after successful hard fork. Fake news, a Litecoin price surges 35% following a Walmart adoption hoax. Vivek Burr makes a list of Time Magazine's 100 most influential people in 2021. Coinbase increases junk bond offering to $2 billion after investors swarm. So that being said, Coinbase has done a lot for SHIB so far. It's also the only platform that is following SHIB right now. They're not following anyone else on Twitter, and it does seem like Coinbase might have something more planned for SHIB in the future, as it's moving fast. It's moving up the ranks on the Coinbase trading volume very fast, and that's a very good factor. The funds might also come in handy when the U.S. Security Exchange Commission, or SEC, comes knocking on the door with a lawsuit if the USD coin lending program is actually launched. So according to a report from Economic Times, there was at least $7 billion worth of orders that were placed in competition for 7 and 10-year bonds offering interest of 3% and 3.6%. So we did have some regulation which, definitely did affect the market so far. So, for example, U.S. lawmakers propose adding digital assets to wash sale rule and raising capital gains tax. Reports surfaced this week that Democrats in the U.S. House of Representatives proposed tax initiatives that could swipe some extra profits from the gains of certain high-income crypto users. So if you're a Shiba Inu whale, maybe you should be concerned because they're going to be taxing you more by 5%. So long-term game tax are going to be going to 25%. And with that being said, Joe Biden said that he planned to nominate acting chairman to the with, a lot of things have actually been happening for crypto, as crypto is such a fast-growing sector. a lot of people are coming in, but a lot of us were also concerned, is Binance going to be dead forever and people won't be able to buy SHIB anymore? Binance is the main factor where people are buying SHIB. With that being said, we are in fact seeing a huge boost. Binance, the world's largest trading platform of trading volume, is looking to rebuild all broken walls with regulators worldwide as it looks to transition into a regulated entity. So in fact, they're going to be staying around over there. We're going to be seeing a lot more. In all, Binance boss is confident in the potential of the digital currency ecosystem to grow continually. He has reiterated his willingness to make the biggest sacrifice of stepping down from his role to make Binance tag along with potential growth. So what this basically means is Binance is going to be staying for a long time. And the thing I didn't expect this week, Shiba Inu CEO actually talked about this, how a sushi token launch platform Miso was hacked for 865 million Ethereum, which is a lot of money. But right now, he actually returned it. He returned it. And, this is second time in history we're actually seeing that. Hacker returns 865 Ethereum. And Satoshi actually said on this that Shiba Swap is basically safe and this is never going to be happening to Shiba Swap. No hacks. But it seems like the hacker somehow actually didn't do anything with the money. So he had so much money in the world. He had about millions and millions of dollars, and yet he hasn't stolen anything. Just a couple of hours later, the hacker returned 865 to the original Miso contract. Data from Etherscan showed that the hacker's address was completely empty, with DeLong himself confirming the news on Twitter. All funds returned, and that's really exciting to see. Because this is more a good story. A lot of these hackers, they're actually white hat hackers, just showing the project and how much can be stolen, and they're returning the funds. So that is definitely crazy. With that being said, despite funds returned, Miso incident was handled poorly. CTO throwing accusations and cracking doxing jokes, while sushi was mostly built by anon contributors, is not a good look. A lot of people are very concerned about owners being anonymous, especially for Shiba Inu, that they're going to be hacking things, that they're going to be rug pulling your tokens. That's going to be very hard to do. They don't own any tokens. They purely profit off Shiba Swap and their new NFT platform. Now, Bitcoin jumps to 49K amid fierce 5% plus inflation is here to stay. 5% inflation for the US dollar. Now, this is looking bad, everyone. It's looking bad for the dollars, but it's looking really good for crypto. New York Federal Reserve now sees inflation at $5 in 1 year, 4% in 3 years, a series new high with large expected price rises in food, rent, and medical costs. Will this mean crypto will go up? Will this mean your ship will be worth millions? Who knows? But inflation is here, ladies and gentlemen, and something to very much know about this is more bullish cues for Bitcoin appear as DT security analysts noted the Federal Reserve might delay the planned tapering of its 120 billion monthly asset purchase after a softer than expected inflation report. Additionally, partner at Pump Investments warned that a sustained 5% inflation would have Americans watch their savings evaporate. 5% might not seem like much, but the more invested in markets, regardless of where it is equities, real estate, crypto, the better off you will be. So the more you have invested in crypto right now, these analysts are saying that the better it is, because inflation, when inflation hits you, you want to be having your money stored in either real estate, either even in stocks or crypto. And crypto is really important because it gives you big gains, because when inflation comes, it's going to be eating up your savings like nothing at all. So that's really exciting to see, us investing into crypto right now. Also, John Cena calling his own NFT sale a catastrophic failure. Don't worry, John Cena. We are going to be launching our own Shiba Inu NFT art project pretty much soon with a lot of updates, and we're going to be showing how you can get a lot of growth. Now, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace, everyone.